In this video, we're going to bring your converted text file into Farmworks. So we'll open up Farmworks, which I've already done, and I've already created my customer. We're going to click Read Job Data, top. We are bringing in a text file. We'll browse the customer, my LiDAR folder. I will go down to the customer, gallon, and there's your merged folder right there that you exported. Open that. You'll need to click on it in this box. Work. Click OK. It will open it. Put a template, LiDAR. Click OK. This will pop up. In field name, click on this box here. Scroll down. Customer. And then click on the field that you want it to go into. Click OK. Click OK. Now we will have that text file in that farm. Right there. I've already done this, so I have two of them. Now the next process is to get this to be usable topography. First thing you're going to want to do is load the file by double-clicking on it. Those are all the LiDAR that you downloaded. Click on the background imagery at the top, get an idea where we're at in the world. And we're going to want to delete all the extra points that we do not need. Down here you can organize your layers, background imagery right below that. There's a couple ways you can do this where you can dim down one or the other. I like to dim down the merged folder, the LiDAR, reduce it so you can see behind it. I get low enough just so you can still tell it's there and find your field. You can use your mouse roller, scroll in. This right here is the farm that we want. We're going to click on the edit layer at the top. Come over to the left side. You're going to click on the field of that customer. You're going to right click, click edit boundaries. Once you do that, it automatically takes you into edit mode. Top up here, you're going to click this box, include polygon tool. And then you're going to just make sure you highlight the entire field that you're going to be working in. I also, if I know the situation, I like to go outside of that field in case I need to know if the water is going to flow that way or if I need to take an outlet that way. In this case, I'm going to go into the east field a little bit and to the south field so that I get all that information. When you're done, right click, finish. Now we have our boundaries. Save and close. Now we still have all them points back there. I'm going to highlight all of those points. Right click, invert selection. Now we've highlighted all the points we do not want. Click the edit key, go onto your keyboard and click the delete key. You've deleted all the points you do not want. Save and close. Now, once you've done that, go back over to the left side. I'll brighten this up just so you can see it there. That's what we kept. Go back to the left side, right click on your LiDAR text file, and create a topographic layer from what we have now. Pop-up box, click OK. Now here's your topography. Double click on that, it will load it in. If this does not happen, if you do not get a building surface and it just pops it down below, it is because we did not create a boundary first. You'll need to remove it and redo those steps. Now that it's in, you can remove this file. We will not need this one anymore. These are the two remove. This removes one of the layers below. This will remove all the layers. Once you have that, you can see all your little points. Click plus on elevation. These are your different views. That's the base data, points, topography, what I use. You'll go to the top, click display options, and you're going to click on contour lines. Your minor is 1, your major is 2. Click OK, and now we have our topography lines. I like to have my boundary, my background image on top of that. So go down below on the right here, you can arrange your layers, put that on top, and then you can go down to transparency in the right corner here and adjust the transparency of your Google image to what you like to work with. And mine kind of changes throughout the process. Usually I start out pretty faint like this just to get the boundaries figured out. And then when I get down to really laying lines, I will bring it down here more so I can see my contours a lot better. To get started, you'll also want to bring in your drainage planned lane layer. Double click that to load it. And now we are ready to go into edit mode, start installing mains, and whatever else do on this farm. I will have more videos explaining how the rest of these processes